How to install Asus Armory Crate on your laptop or your computer. So first you'll need to open up your browser and then search for Asus Armory Crate. And you want to click on this link right here which says armory-crate.com, and then click on the download button right here. And then you can click on the first link right here in the table that will download Armory Crate and Aura Creator Installer. And that should start the download right here. Now open up this zip file and extract the folder to your desktop, and then just open the installer. Now once the installer is open, you can choose which components to install. So in this case, you can only keep Armory Crate checked. You can also check Aura Creator and Virtual Pet if you want to install them, and simply click on the start button. And this will start downloading and installing the Armory Crate. Now once the installation finishes, you want to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can select the features you want from the feature library. You can also skip and press next, and now you can select the theme that you want to use. So for example, if you wanted to align with the system theme, and then click on start using and click I understand, and this should load up the application, and it should install the Rogue Life services as well. And once this is done, you can basically start using it. This might require a system restart after you install the Armory Crate, so you can click on reboot your system if you want to reboot it immediately. Otherwise, it will basically close the application. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.